guys, it is very early in the morning. I'm actually getting ready for work. We have a short day today because it's our work Christmas party. Usually I just throw on like sweats and I do no makeup. I put my hair in a bun, go to work because I don't usually see people other than those who are in my office. It's usually just like quick, get up, get ready, go to work. But today I'm making a little bit more of an effort because we're doing our Christmas party and it's gonna be super chill and casual. We're gonna go get lunch at Victoria Gardens. We have like pictures with Santa and then we're gonna just like shop around. I feel like that's the best type of Christmas party because then people can go get their Christmas shopping done, a nice big lunch, and it's during the work day. I love when a party is during business hours. It's gonna be a really long day. I am also meeting up with Sarah. We're doing something super exciting. We're gonna get her Christmas tree, which should be so fun. She's getting a lot of different types of ornaments. We're gonna not only go pick up her tree, but we are going to decorate it. And I think we're gonna go to Trader Joe's, but I'm so excited. It's definitely a very Christmassy weekend because I'm also Christmas cookie baking with my family tomorrow, like our annual Christmas cookie baking. And I made my sister, my mom, and then my brother's girlfriend these aprons. I thought it would be really cute since we do Christmas cookie baking every year. I thought it'd be really cool to get them a nice little gift. So I bought these aprons. I bought them off of Joann's. Then I have been really into beading. It's one of my hobbies that I've been doing this year. So I beaded everybody's initial and they came out really cute. I like really love the way they looked. I even made one for my best friend because she was with me when I bought them and she's like, I really want one. I was like, sure. So I made her one. But yeah, I really loved the way that it turned out. I'm gonna finish getting ready and then I'll see you guys throughout the day. I got myself this little jacket because my other jacket that I was wearing was so hot, but also I thought this was cute. Maybe I'll show you guys later. And I picked up some more stuff. I'm gonna do a little bit more shopping before I leave for Sarah's. I think like another hour, maybe. Just got in my car. The way that my feet hurt. I am exhausted. I'm like sweating but cold at the same time and my feet hurt. We've been here since 11. It's 5 o'clock. So like we're at the restaurant for like 2-3 hours and then we went shopping and I think I stayed the latest. My friend just left like half hour ago and then I was like, I had to get something like a gift for someone. So I was wearing these boots the whole time shopping. I wasn't expecting us to walk around as much or to be here as long as I was, but it worked out. I got 2 really important gifts that I needed to get. And one of those gifts was like last one in stock, which is amazing. I am so swollen from walking right now. Like my rings are all tight, like super chunky, but I did get this ring from Goriana. Me and my friend got them together. I work with my best friend. So we saw these and we were like, friendship rings? I love purchasing things even more so when I can buy a matching set with like a friend. So yeah, super pretty. A little chaotic, but we're done shopping. We're gonna go hang out with Sarah and get her Christmas tree. I'm gonna go to Sarah's now and then next time you see me, I'll be with her.
I'm wearing Halloween socks.
I just changed.
We really look like we're going to 2 different places because I'm in a Christmas sweater and she's in Halloween socks.
I didn't realize there's bears. But I was like, that's a pumpkin. And that wasn't a ghost outfit, I think. Sarah and I got to Home Depot. And the trees are behind us. It smells amazing.
So good right now.
And we have a fake tree up this year, so we didn't go get a real tree. And last year I had a fake tree, so I haven't come to the lot in like 2 years, and it smells so good. So I'm actually so glad we're here today. But we're gonna go to Home Depot first, get some things for Sarah, and then we can check out the trees.
54? I thought it was gonna be like 70.
Me too. That's a good size.
What a steal! Maybe I'll also buy a reindeer. Well, because like, so they make out of like the extra parts, they'll make little wood reindeer.
Oh, I've seen that. Yeah.
So depending on how much it
Nice.
is, maybe we'll get that.
Maybe we'll get it. Who knows? Poinsettia?
Gonna fit in my place.
We'll take it. I wonder how much this one is. So cute.
How much?
Okay, right there. There's one right there. That one's 34.
Ooh, okay.
That's a good one too.
Like 20.
Oh, okay.
Never mind.
The other ones are 50.
Ooh. Maybe I'll think about it.
She'll think about it. Oh, those ones are even smaller.
Those are the 5. That's really interesting how they did that. Yeah. Too tall?
That's really tall.
Shoot, we should have. Oh, the measuring tape is.
Yes, it's under all that stuff.
Damn it! So I'm at 6.5. But here's the thing. I'm 5'8". Okay. So we're gonna measure it the way I was measuring my place. Got it.
It's like a 6 foot.
I'm like, where's my play ball? The thing is, they are gonna cut it. Yeah. I was to cut all that for the vlog. It's confusing. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, because we have to imagine they're.
Lord could tell.
I think this is good because remember, like I said, I can't.
Sarah and I are gonna make our pizzas now. Well, Sarah's making
Making Leo's dinner.
Leo's dinner. Sarah cured a tree. I can open this. We're gonna do a garlic. I love this stuff.
I love the pre-made.
sandwiches.
I love that pre-made flatbread.
Yeah, the best. We did this at the lake, and I made like 6 of them because some people like spicy, some people don't.
Yeah.
This is an Italian bomba hot pepper. This is definitely spicy, so if you don't like spicy, you will not like this.
Very interesting. Like the like you literally can't get this from anywhere else.
Sarah's gonna let me try some wine. Look at all this candy I got.
Are you scared of like the corks popping?
No.
Okay, great.
Thanks for asking. I am not.
No, because I am. So I'm great. You can open these.
Oh, okay. I got all these gummies.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
These are from the Machiavelli, what's it called? Winery in Tuscany. So, this is strawberry.
Okay.
Because I know you can only do one. So,
Yeah.
Strawberry, or this one's like a blue curacao one. Which I don't know if you've ever had blue curacao. It's a little bit citrusy.
Ooh, I don't.
So, which one would you like to try?
And this one is just.
They're both sparkling wines.
Oh.
Yeah. So, strawberry or blue curacao?
I don't even know what blue curacao is.
It's a liqueur, and then, like I said, it's like a citrusy liqueur.
I'm gonna say this one only because it makes me feel less scared.
Okay.
I'm not a big drinker. Watch it be like anti-club. Okay, it didn't pop like I thought it would.
Woo! Woo! Muzzle top! Oh.
It smells really good.
Possum hunter. Okay.
Oh, your glasses are beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful her glasses are. Cheers.
I figured you'd like these.
That's really good.
Next time you're over, we can
Like
do
when
the
you're a
blue
kid
curacao one.
and you have to take communion. Like this is what you think that you're gonna
What
get.
are you eating? I'm doing a Lindsay Lohan Christmas movie night.
Yay!
Oh, that's Michelle.
Wow, that actually came out looking so good.
And then that's mine.
Yum. Guys, it smells so good.
Garlic bread. Wow.
Our pizzas are done. We cut up just partial of each, dressed them. Sarah has arugula, olive oil, cheese, prosciutto, and then I added arugula in my glaze. So yummy. Before we continue, let's plug in that end just to see if you like the density or if we need to push it up more. Okay. Like we don't want to do the whole tree and then be like, oh shoot. We don't like that. Ugh. How great this time was. It's beautiful. Okay, we started just half, like a tip. Like we just did it just to make sure that we actually liked what we were doing. I love it. Oh it looks so good. See how it's like it's in.
Yeah. That's what I wanted.
Yeah, it's in, but we're not wrapping each one. But it's like curled around. It looks so good on camera. Lights are on, guys. Oh my gosh, it looks so good, guys. Sarah got so many ornaments.
I did.
What is it? I was like, couldn't remember the name of it. It's
charm tree.
Charm tree. I was like trinket tree earlier. I was like, wait a minute, that's not right.
That would work too.
Yeah, but Sarah got a bunch of ornaments. One of them is.
Oh, here, let me find it.
There it is.
The only one in bubble wrap.
It's because Sarah loves Parmesan cheese. That is a Parmesan cheese. It's her most expensive ornament she owns. We won't tell you the price. She'll just...
It was $30.
I was like, we'll just link it below. Okay, you guys didn't actually get to see this ornament in my last vlog that I did. Sarah got it, but we didn't get to see it because they wrapped it up. And this is the Santa Barbara one. Sweater. Oh, we're so ready. Oh my goodness. Christmas pajama cookie outfit. Ooh. Okay, Sarah's little, what is that called? Crack that she made. My mom's gonna try it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Loves it.
Shut up! Oh my god, this is the cutest thing ever.
My mom has one and I have one too.
You didn't bring your apron?
I do. It's so good. end of the evening. I am so tired. I'm here with Jack. Hey. He is bugging for some attention because I've been obviously so busy today with my family. We kind of did an exchange of gifts. Well, we were celebrating my sister's birthday as well, and then she got gifts for us because she won't be able to celebrate Christmas with us this year because she's going to be with her husband's family. And so she got us Christmas gifts even though she shouldn't have. I'm going to show you guys what she got me because it was so sweet. First, she got me this, me and my brother's girlfriend, this reading journal, which is incredible. Her friend, I believe it's her friend who makes these, and there's so many cute little prompts in here. There's like a rating tracker, there's a whole TBR list that you could do. There is, I love this, there's an ABC challenge, so books you can try to either challenge yourself by author or by book title to do like every letter of the alphabet. Then there's also a book bingo, so you put all these books that you would like to read, and then it's like a bingo game for yourself, which I really love. And then there's also book of the year, so you could do like your favorite books. I love this. And then there's another one I thought was really great, book graveyard. So for any books that you don't finish reading, you can put it here, which I thought was really nice. And then my sister also got me a book, and it's Where the Library Hides. This is the second book. The first book is What the River Knows, and my sister introduced me to that book. I bought it and I loved it. And then this book just came out, I believe, this most recent November, and I've been wanting to read it, but I've been finishing Kingdom of Ash. Now that I've finished, I'm like, okay, what do I read next? And so my sister gave me this, and so I think I'm gonna hop into this book. I can't tell you how excited I am. I am really, really happy to get back into it, and I'm excited for it to be potentially my last book of the year. I know the year's wrapping up pretty quick. I mean, this is not a terribly large book, but it's such a busy season. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get 2 more books under my belt before the end of the year. Maybe I will, since I'm gonna have some time off, but I'm excited to start this, and I'm excited to add it to my reading journal that my sister got me. Such a cute gift. Stace, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I really love it. Sister got me another gift. Also got me this necklace, which I don't even know what to say. I love it so much. It is this little gold necklace, and she engraved it, and she had it engraved with I don't want to cry, with my grandma's handwriting. Last letter that my grandma ever wrote me said, "Love you so much," and I have loved that, and I've been wanting a tattoo with that for maybe a couple years now. I haven't done it because I don't think that I've found like the right person to do it, and I'm very particular about tattoos, 1, to begin with, and then 2, it like has to match my grandma's handwriting, so I'm just scared to get it done. So she had it etched into this necklace, her actual handwriting, which was like the actual sweetest thing. I like opened it, and then she told me what it said, and I sobbed. It was just so sweet. Again, Stacy, if you're watching, thank you so much. Like, love it. It's been such a wonderful day with my family. Just like such a good weekend, and I feel very like happy, and I'm excited that I have 1 more day off to kind of like decompress from the very busy 48 hours I've just had. And I think that I'm gonna rest tomorrow. I'm gonna edit this video, I think, and then I'm also gonna read. I'm gonna start this tonight, even though it's late. I'm gonna read and then go straight to sleep. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.